Hello from eTherapy, the Teletherapy Experts, and welcome to a quick tutorial for using the digital planner for SLPs and OTs. This digital planner was designed specifically with teletherapy in mind and is actually a hyperlinked PDF and can be used on computers and tablets. Download the PDF file and open it with Adobe Reader on your computer. Click on the yellow comment icon to bring in the annotation tools. Click on tabs and buttons to navigate between the planner sections. Planner sections include a yearly calendar, a monthly calendar, a daily reminders checklist, lesson plan pages, and resources. Use your monthly calendar to track meetings. Use your reminders section to track completion of your daily notes, billing, and parent-school contacts for each session. Use the horizontal calendar bar at the bottom of the reminders and lesson plan pages to navigate back and forth throughout the month. Use the lesson plan pages to track the date and time of each session and the activities you have planned. There are pages for up to 12 groups or sessions per day for every day of the month. Daily annotations should be saved so that when you open your planner the next day, your previous notes and annotations will be visible. Use the Resource tab to help you plan activities for your sessions. This digital planner works great on your computer, especially if you have a 2-monitor setup. It can also be used with an iPad or tablet, but you will need to purchase an app such as GoodNotes in order for the hyperlinks to remain live. Also, Apple Pencils or digital pencils are great tools to use to annotate your planner when you're using a tablet. For more activity freebies, tutorials, webinars, and resources, visit us on our website. And thank you from eTherapy, the Teletherapy Experts.